Hey everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I wanted to do an unbox of my Glossybox, which I received probably at least a week or two ago. I have opened them. I say them because for the life of me I'm getting two, and I don't know why. I have already contacted them and I have not getting a reply. I don't see me getting billed twice, so I'm not going to really complain, but I'll figure it out. So some products will go to my daughter, some products will go in the 500 giveaway, etc. They never go to waste, believe me. So anyways, before I get to that, just want to tell you about my day yesterday. So before I filmed the Tarte Mermaid palette, I got up, did my fasting lab work, went by Morphe, got the Bretman highlighter palette, which worked out great. And then I came home, got ready, filmed, and then I went to my physical therapy, and was that like fucking torture? Oh my gosh, they do a deep tissue, and oh, I want to scream through the it was horrible, horrible. Anyways, so then I come home and I'm making dinner. I'm making burritos, and I got beans, pinto beans, and a big container, and they're up in the microwave, and I go to grab them out, and they were just heated up, and they spilled all up my arm. I don't know if you can see, but all around here it burned the holy hell out of me. And thank God my daughter has aloe vera plant growing out back, so my husband got home, went out back, cut that off, and started pouring it on my hand, and I kept it on. And then I had a cup of water spill all over me. I was just like, what the fuck is going on with this day? And then my dad called me because, my aunt passed away, his sister, and so we had a good talk. He lives in New Mexico. He moved there a year ago, and I'm praying that he can make it out here so I can spend some time with him, because me and him, started bonding, and I'd like for him to be able to see my grandson. But anyways, so we had a good talk, but that was just a day, man. When you have those days where it's just like one thing after another, and you never say what's next, because oh my gosh, there will be something next. Holy crap. So I started watching my grandchildren from 10 a.m. to 2, so my filming might be on different days. I'm going to try and keep it Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. But those are the days I'm watching them. I just finished watching them a little while ago. But we'll see. I'll get plenty filmed. And then I also may film like one after another, and then put them up on different days. Like today I could have filmed the unboxing, and then maybe a get ready with me. By the way, can you guess what eyeshadow palette I tried out today? Let me know. Look at the colors. Look at those colors. And let me know what you think I tried out today. The Bretman highlighter, I love. I love it. I'm wearing the Pat McGrath lipsticks where you can put the glitter on, which I forgot I had. It's horrible. Anyways, so again, on the giveaway, I'm breaking it up in two because I have a lot. So I will have two winners. This hand is really sore. It burns are a bitch. Let's get to the Glossybox. So again, I have opened them. I love how they put that cute little box inside. It's so neat. So let's see here. We'll put this over here. So there's this box. This is $20 a month, or $21. I mean, don't quote me. 20 or 21, and it's just like BoxyCharm to me, but I think you get more, I want to say like not facial, but beauty products in these as opposed to makeup. So if you like beauty products for your face and hands and stuff, and they ask you, you go through like a questionnaire, who beauty is. They ask you like your hair color and your eye color, so they can match it all up. It's pretty cool. Here's that. There was a bow there, but I undid it. And then we have the inside, so let's see what we have. So you open this up, and I love it because you get anywhere from 1 to 6 products. Usually 4 of them are full size. At least 4 are full size, okay? So this shows you everything in there, and it tells you the price, just like BoxyCharm. So let me see, we have Morgan Taylor nail polish, which that is a really pretty spring color right there. And this is, right here, retails is a full size, and retails for $9.50. I will definitely use this. I love nail polish. I do my own nails. That's just my thing. I used to get them done, and I just felt like I was wasting money. It is like a kind of a pampering thing, and I loved it, but I like doing my own. I just like being inventive and doing my own. So everyone's got their own, you know, preference. Okay, this is for multitask leave-in lotion. This is for your hair. So it says 3-in-1 leave-in lotion, good hair days are ahead. Whew, good. I have not used this yet. The 3-in-1 hair perfector will detangle, holy crap, I need that, soften and refresh your look in one go. Designed to also strengthen your strands against breakage. This I can't even say it. Nutritive mist, there, I got it out, which is infused with coconut oil, argan oil, avocado oil, and grapeseed oil, will keep any style from beachy waves to tight braids looking fierce. This fucking thing is healthier than what I eat. My hair is going to be healthier than me. I eat like an apple though. I just had a banana. That's me. So I guess I eat pretty healthy, but I just don't eat very much. It doesn't look like it. Okay. This retails, this is a full size, retails for $32. Holy hell. No, this is not full size. Full size is 12 fluid ounces, and this is 1.7. So the full size is $32. So this is kind of like, you know, probably like a sample size, which is cool because I will totally use it. And then we have De Bruyere Paris. Ooh la la. Sounds very fancy. Let me see. Okay. De Bruyere Beauté Jumbo Pencil in the color Bubble 07. Full size. So this is full size. $18. Ladies on the go will love the super creamy jumbo eye pencil in the perfect shade of khaki. Oh my god. Okay, I almost totally mispronounced that in the wrong way. Khaki, which can be used as an eyeliner or an eyeshadow. Used with an angled brush for a defined look. Oh, that's kind of cool. Ooh. Let me swatch that. Ooh, that's so creamy, you guys. I am so going to use that. Oh, yeah. Okay. Then we have Cover FX, good brand. Perfect Pencil Crayon. This is a full size. It is official. The product you never knew you needed is Cover FX's Perfect Pencil Concealer. Oh wow, a perfect pencil. I have never used a pencil concealer. What the fuck? This versatile tool can be used to define lip and eyebrow arches. Oh, well, yeah, okay. Yeah, I've used eyebrow arches and conceal trouble spots in an instant. Headed to the gym? No. No problem. The formula is also waterproof. Shades will vary. Well, that's kind of cool. Oh, here's a tip. To brighten the eyes, apply your pencil along the inner corners and waterline. For a dash of extra highlight, draw along the bridge of your nose, cupid's bow, and chin, then blend in finger or brush. So this is, you know, to angle your brows and so on. Multitask pencil. I like Cover FX. Not everything from them, but ooh, it's creamy. Look at that. And it's like a twist up. I like that. That's kind of cool. That is cool. Oh yeah, totally my color. I will definitely play around with this. Did I say what that retailed for? $20. Because we all know Cover FX is not cheap. And then there is Bliss Fabulous Foaming Face Wash. And that is not on here. What the hell? Let me see. Where'd it go, man? Where'd it go? Interesting. Did I mix up my boxes? This is a multitask leave-in lotion. No, 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 no. Okay, I must have put the wrong one because I opened both boxes. Let me move to the other box. Let's just see what's in there. This, anyways, it's a Fabulous Foaming Face Wash 2-in-1 cleanser. It is not a full size. It is 2.0 fluid ounces, which is fine. You want to test it out, see if you like it. So I'm opening up the other one, which I just, for the life of me, don't know why I have two, but, you know, alrighty then. Same thing. Yes, I opened them and I shut them, and they've been in my room. They have a little bow tie. It's so cute. Their packaging is so amazing. Same thing. It's got the same thing right here. And, oh, this has a foaming face wash, so it's got all the same, whoa, I think it's like identical. Let me see if it says a foaming face wash on this pamphlet. On here. Or is that just an extra? They're trying to tell me something. Well, either I'm really retarded or I don't see it on here. Okay. Anyways, it's a face wash, so I shall try it. So then we have, we're gonna move on. Okay, we have Figs and Rouge Soft Focus Pore Perfector. I have been using this out of the other box, so because I have two of them, obviously. This is a full size, 1 fluid ounce. And I don't want to open it up because once you break the seal, then it works towards going bad. But it says, for those seeking a gorgeous complexion this year, your new go-to designed to keep skin shine-free and perfect all day. This lightweight primer smooths away imperfections, minimizes the looks of pores. Another benefit. The multifunctional formula also fights blemishes, promising nothing but clear days ahead. Hallelujah! Because I know I'm getting older and I need it. For best results, apply the Soft Touch Serum along your T-zone in a circular motion before makeup. Next, go to take on the world. Ooh, that's intense. Down here it says Glossy Fave. Products will vary. Found an extra product in your box this month? Oh, duh. Here we go. Enjoy a little gift from us and try one of our Glossy Faves. Oh, so it was extra. How do you like that? So, everything in this box is exactly the same. I'm going to tell you, this primer is phenomenal. It reminds me of the Touch and Soul one and the Milk one, the blurring one. It is very smooth. It is very blurring, very matte, very creamy. Well, it just kind of sinks in your pores and just covers them. It is fabulous. I highly recommend this primer. I'm keeping it both because I love it. It is that good. So Figs and Rouge. Ooh, I don't know if I said the price. $35. It better be good. $35. I love it. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4 full-size products, one trial size, and this was extra because I got it in my other box as well. So I have 2 foaming face wash. You just can never have enough face wash. I mean, unless it doesn't go well with your skin. So I have all the exact same things. I have the Cover FX pen in medium, so it's the same one. I have the exact same nail polish. This will probably go in the giveaway because I share mine with my daughter already. I will definitely need this for my hair because you can see I got like very curly, thick hair. So And then the eyeshadow, that eye pen, oh here it is, I believe is the exact same color as this one. Yeah, I think so. Dubrier Paris. Yes, they are exactly the same, so if my daughter doesn't want it, it will go on the giveaway. I will not swatch that one. And this I will keep, doesn't go bad. So I just have to say, you guys, if you like BoxyCharm, and even if you don't get BoxyCharm, Glossybox is amazing. I have never had 1 month of Glossybox that I did not like. $20 or $21, I think it's 21, just like BoxyCharm. Go on Glossybox and just subscribe for 1 month, try it out. And they make it, you know, personalize it and everything, and it is amazing. So again, you get more beauty products than that, and then BoxyCharm you get a lot of makeup, which my BoxyCharm should be here any day now. So anyways, wish me luck, guys. I'm gonna go get my latte and a couple things for dinner. And yes, I hope you guys are having a great Wednesday. If you are new here, welcome. I hope you enjoy my channel, and thank you to all of my subscribers. You are all amazing. The feedback has been phenomenal. Again, my giveaway is getting huge, and I want to try and do it by Friday, but if I don't get to declutter all my stuff by Friday, I will update you, because I'm juggling a lot more right now, so I'm working on it. And then when I get to 500, I already have everything. I've just added to it, so we're good to go. So just stay tuned. Again, I'm going to repeat the way that I pick my winners is make sure you're subscribed. And don't jump off the boat and then jump back on when I do another giveaway, because I see that on my computer. So subscribe and stay subscribed. Unless you don't like my channel, I don't give a shit. Just don't be here for the giveaway, okay? So subscribe, turn on that little notification bell, hit the like button, because believe it or not, that makes a difference. And hit me up on Instagram, Susan Young 1974, and tag as many people as you'd like. And I know I've said this before, but I'll repeat it again and again because I get new people on here. And anyways, so tag people and you know, share my channel, and it is very much appreciated. And I like interaction, so comment below. I'd like to know what you think of my video, my channel. And what should we do today? I already did where are you from. Let's see, let's comment below what your favorite thing is to do. Like for me, and it's not just because I have a YouTube channel, my favorite thing is to do my makeup. And for some people it might not be that. A lot of people have a lot of other things that are way above and beyond that, and that is totally okay. I get that. But for me, when I wake up and I'm in like excruciating pain where I can barely move, and I know I have my basket of makeup sitting, and I get in the shower and I start to kind of think about what I'm going to use today and stuff, it kind of gets me moving. So for some people it's working out, for some people it's going to work, they love their job. So just comment below what you love to do, and hit that like button, and I will see you guys soon. Thank you so much for watching. You have a great rest of your day, and bye.